Thousands of dirty needles are littering parks, playgrounds, and one of the state's largest rivers.
Yeah, the I-Team found the opioid epidemic, long considered a health crisis, is also a major environmental threat. Tonight, Christina Hager has an eye-opening look at a troubling problem in the Merrimack Valley.
Rocky Morrison considers himself a steward at the 125-mile-long Merrimack River.
Some of the needles, believe it or not, the drug is still in them.
A drinking water source for well over 500,000 New Englanders, he says, has become a dump for drug users' hypodermic needles.
These two drugs came from Lowell, Massachusetts.
This is what he collected from the riverbanks last year.
You can see how big these are.
More than 2,200 needles.
Andover shorelines are a magnet. The whole ground just covered with needles.
Morrison took the I-Team to an abandoned homeless camp in Lowell.
These needles will float. It will start floating.
Countless syringes. Wow. Right on the river's edge.
We don't want this blowing in the river. We want kids coming down there hurting themselves.
A boat ride reveals even more at another abandoned encampment right across from a Lowell public beach and the UMass Lowell boathouse.
HIV, when they have tested it in the environmental surfaces, it can actually live in dried blood spots for 5 or 6 days.
A recent HIV outbreak in the area makes the needle pollution that much more alarming.
Many addicts will lick the needles, so there could be saliva on the outside. They're sticking it into their vein, so there's going to be blood within that.
A side effect of the opioid epidemic causing problems across the region. In Arlington, 2 young girls were pricked at their school last month.
I spent countless hours picking up needles.
In Boston, an angry father brought a bucket full of needles from a Roxbury playground to a community meeting.
I found a fully loaded needle that had about 5 cc's full of heroin in it.
Those who've been through it say getting pricked is a living nightmare.
I had a number of shots.
Bobby Rowland stuck by a syringe someone threw out a car window in South Boston several years ago.
I was worried for a long time.
And what were you worried about? What were you thinking?
What happens if this guy had AIDS or something like that?
Records the I-Team obtained show cities and towns bordering the Merrimack took hundreds of calls to pick up stray needles this past year. One caller from Merrimack reported finding more than 1,340 needles near the river.
This is a giant conveyor belt moving downriver, bringing everything with it.
Finally spilling all the river's problems into the Atlantic Ocean near Plum Island and Salisbury Beach.
And they end up on our shorelines.
Lowell just created a new job position, a needle coordinator. 911 dispatchers in all the cities and towns along the river took calls this past year from people who found needles. We have an interactive map on our website so you can see just how busy each community has been. For the I-Team, Christina Hager, WBZ News.